Welcome everybody to another episode of Ready Vamonos. Today we're going to be making...
margaritas.
Wait, not margaritas. Sangrias from Knott's Grape Farm.
So stay tuned. Alright, so for this sangria, you really want to use some seasonal fruit. Here we have some strawberries, apples, and oranges. We're going to start with the apple. You want to cut it in manageable sizes. Don't forget to core your apple. And this is the result. Next, we have the orange. You want to peel the orange. And again, cut it into little bite-sized pieces. And our strawberries. You want to core your strawberries as well and cut them into similar size pieces, just like this. Alright, next you want to start off with your Knott boysenberry concentrate. Here we're using a 1/4 cup as we're making 1 gallon. You want to start by adding all of your delicious seasonal fruit that you just cut up, just like that.
Next, we're going to be using the cranberry juice. Remember, we're not going to fill it up all the way because we still have to put in the light and the dark wines.
Alright, so now comes the fun part. We have a red wine and a white wine, and we're gonna do half and half. Alright guys, remember you can use any of your favorite wines. Here we're using a red and a white wine of our liking. For example, these we just got at Sam's Club. So there's no wrong way to do this. Just pick a wine and make it your own.
It was random. Now we're going to add it up with some 7-Up for the splash.
Alright guys, thank you for watching another episode of Ready Vamonos. We're going to go ahead and enjoy our Knott's Grape Farm Sangria.
Don't forget to tell your friends, families, mother, dad, I don't know,
Your
anyone who's 21 and above. Don't forget that. And drink responsibly. And remember to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Once again, clink.